there he goes. Oh yeah. He's gonna follow. You like it? How you doing? Shot right there. No, there's a rock right 6 inches under the water. Yep. That right there would hurt. Maybe right there. Because it gets a lot deeper. Does Cujo like the water? Yeah. He splashed it. Cujo wasted no time going down this steep part. That's funny. Keep going. Gotta watch the klutz. Better than Sedona? I'm asking if it's a better slide than Sedona. That might hurt. That's some pretty sharp rock.
One in Sedona is also.
Yeah, I've been there a long time ago. This is pretty cool though. Yeah, like almost 20 years ago.
I thought you said you had.
No, I've been to Slide Rock. You're okay. Don't you dare cry. You were starting to.
Good job.
Did you pull it out? There you go. Pull it out. There you go. You got it.
Without crying?
You were starting to cry. Oh, he's saying further down? On the ledge. Look at Cujo over there. Man. Yeah, this is what I'm thinking of. Pretty crazy, huh? Pretty crazy spot, huh? No.
That would hurt.
Oh, to jump right here? Yeah.
I wonder how deep it is.
Probably pretty deep because the water moves so fast.
That'd be a pretty intense jump though.
Yeah, you're not going to do it, I guess. No. Cujo's upset. I didn't want him to come this way because he'd fall to his doggy death.
That's because there's Saudis over there.
Oh, you think that boy does look a little bit like a Saudi, right? The pink hair. I mean, yeah, just like. Oh, that's gonna be wussy. It's just a little slide. Might not be Catholics, it might be a variant, but if it is, quote John 14:6, quick. You know that it's not through a man in a wooden box. Cujo like this? Cujo might bite the heretics, so. I don't know what that is over there. Is it? Okay, it's been a long time. Do you let them know that the hair is for covering? They don't need the garment. God gave women long hair, which is a shame unto a man. Here it is. One last couple steps, you could do it. Yeah, she didn't fall. Have you fell yet today?
No.
Is that a miracle?
Yeah, but I did get stuff on my finger with that.
Yeah, you fell in a cactus. Okay, we might need to put Cujo on his leash. Cujo, come here. Cujo, no. No eating. Go up higher. Nice. What's Ashlyn doing? She having trouble? It's slippery over there. I think he's gonna slide down it. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, it's gotta be rough. Oh. Was that rough? Was that rough? It looked like it. Oh, here comes your kid.
I'll take my shorts with it.
Whoa! Oh, face first.
I'll take my shorts with it.
Whoa! Oh, face first. Good thing we got that on video. Ashlyn, you gonna go do that?
No.
Why not? You like swimming.
In my pool.
All right, go for it.
Oh man, it's headed close to the tree.
Yeah, it looked like it, but he was over a foot away from it. He just didn't push off very far. See if he does a double thing. Whoa.
Oh.
Go over there now.
No, I can't do it.
What?
Oh.
It's just terrible out here. Terrible. Go up one more step, Ashlyn. Oh, you got it? Well, go off of there then. That was... Big dog. That was lame, Ashlyn. That was real lame. What you gonna do, Ashlyn? You gonna jump this time?
Stand up. Come on.
Stand up and jump in. One time. Come on. Now a flip. Now a flip, Ashlyn.
What?
Now you can do a flip.
No.
Cujo. What? Alright, let's go. Hey, hey. 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 Want me to jolt you? Don't be barking in my video, dog. Come on. That's... Come here. Come here. Ow! Dang dog. What you doing? Woo! Come on, Ashlyn. Go! You're right there. Go! Come on! Come on, Ashlyn. Hustle. Hope this is a shortcut back to the van. Down in there is all way down there is where we were just at. Yeah, we came up here a ways. What was about 400 feet drop? 300 feet down probably. As far as altitude, not linear distance. There's the road over there. We've got to intersect where the van is this way. Dang, that hurts. Alright. Cujo. They gave him an ice cream cone. Here, take it.